You know what, guys? It's been a while. I know I haven't made a video in like forever, but I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I might as well make one a day. This is my wall, guys, in my room, just to let you guys know. It's family right there, and then like I'm waiting for a poster probably to put right here, but haven't had time. Got Kobe, of course, the greatest. Schedules, my computer. But I thought, you know what? Might as well go make a video driving the Z because I haven't driven it in a while, but taking these AirPods with me. And I'm gonna go to Walmart because tomorrow's my mother's birthday, so we're gonna go buy a cake and some stuff. And then that's my punk ass sister. See you at the car. She goes, there she blows. A beautiful, amazing car. To let you guys know, I have added the twin turbo badges. So, yep. There is my Instagram. Let's see. What? Got the boost gauge working. About fucking time. Head over to Walmart. I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, we're at Walmart. We walked hella fast. Alright, we're gonna get some flowers. Let's see. Alright, we got these ones. We're gonna head over to hopefully the bakery.
I bought
Alright
this
guys,
thing.
we got everything. Yes, my mother's 59. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? Anyway, got her a cake. There's like 4 different types, like chocolate or I don't know what else. I had to get cookies, why not? Some flowers, we already know. And of course, for me. Alright guys, we're rolling out. Got the care package. By Walmart. I think I'm gonna do a pool as well. Because I can't end the night. I can't end the night without doing a pool in the 300Z, you know? I gotta do it for my viewers. But when I get there, I'll show you guys. Here's your pool. You guys been waiting for it. That's gonna be the end of the video. I don't know if I'm gonna continue it to show you guys my mother's birthday, but there you guys go. I know the video was kind of shitty, but don't worry, I got big things coming for this car. I've been too busy. I'll explain to you guys when I get inside. Fuck it, I might as well tell you guys what happened. Oh. Alright, well, fuck it, let me flip the camera. Alright guys, so I'm back. I know it's been a while, probably like 3 weeks, month, I don't even know how fucking long it's been. Oh my god, I'm always interrupted. Look, Maggie, what the hell you want? What's up? Huh? Maggie. She's a magic mop around here. When her hair grows out, we call her Maggie the Mop. When she's shaved, we just call her Maggie. But anyways, before I was rudely interrupted. I know it's been a while. I know it's been like 3 weeks, maybe a month. I know. I've been lagging it. Honestly, I've been lagging it because I've been going through, like, the car has had a lot of problems. Not necessarily me, but the car. Alright? Like, literally, I probably put like $2,000 just to fix everything on the car, and it's still not even fixed. It's still fucked up. But, to start off, I had a cracked rim, or bent, cracked, I don't know. And it's a 3-piece rim, so that shit is expensive. Had to get it repaired, took a while. Then what else happened to that? Oh, I was having misfires, had to change my spark plugs, easy enough. Then the serious part started happening, and you know, I was going real lean, so I was like, what the heck, my fuel pump went out, so I fixed the fuel pump. and then I didn't tighten it correctly, so I ran out of screws and I stripped them, so fuck me. I took it to a mechanic. I would have done it myself to change these PCV valves, but they're hard as a bitch to change, and I was like, you know what, I got the money, fuck it, I'm gonna just pay this guy to do it. And he did it. That fixed a lot of my problems. Another big problem that I had was my fuel regulator and my fuel dimmer. They were both bad, so I had to replace them both. Just, you know, why not? And then, let's see, I did have a shit ton of boost leaks, like a bunch of them. We're talking like 5 or so. So I was lacking the power. Now I'm making a lot of power, and I do plan on making a dyno video for you guys, so that way you guys can see where it's at. Because honestly, I really don't know where the horsepower is at for the 300Z, but we're gonna find out together. I'm gonna take it to a guy that I know, and hopefully he can dyno it for cheap, you know, just to show me what numbers I make. Let's see. Oh, not only that, so after every time I fix something, something else broke. So obviously the bent rim cracked, boom, the fuel pump, I fixed it, the fuel pump went out, boom, PCV valves went bad, boom, changed the spark plugs, boom. Like, it was just non-stop. Next thing you know, my windshield cracked, dude. I was like, oh, this thing is never gonna get fixed. But after I fixed the windshield, which was probably like 2 days ago, I paid this guy at, what was it? Choice Auto Glass over here in Lancaster. He's by a junkyard, but he's really good at his stuff. So, you know, I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna do it. He charged me about 200 bucks to fix it. But next thing you know, right after that, today, which is probably like 2 or 3 days later, I started having misfires, like a really bad misfire. If you follow my Instagram, you'll know what I mean. It was pretty bad. And I fixed it, but it turns out it was just an unplugged, you know, an unplugged coil pack. So thank God it was just that. And, you know, there's no smoke coming out or nothing, because I honestly thought I had blown turbos, dude. I was thinking the worst, but it was just that. Now that that is all set, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned, because literally I have a lot planned for the car and a lot planned for this YouTube channel. I've honestly just been saving up the money and just hanging out around, because I was gonna sell it, but a lot of people told me to just keep it and then just fix it and wait, and a few years from now I get a lot of money for it. So I'm gonna keep it, at least for the time being, until I get the GTR or whatever's next, you know. Most likely it's gonna be the Evo 8, but if it's not the Evo, then it's gonna be the GTR. I don't know if it's gonna be a 32, 35, they're like the same price, so we'll see what happens. School did hit me pretty hard, and you know, they got me reading like scripts like crazy and memorizing them, so that's the only part. But anyways, back to the 300ZX. You guys are not gonna wanna miss this. I'm gonna be wrapping the car, alright? I'm gonna be adding a hood to it, carbon fiber hood, and I'm gonna be adding a front bumper with a nose panel to it as well. So if you guys want to see all that, that's gonna be coming. I will be racing as well, a few cars. So if you guys really want to see what happens and what I can do for your videos, or what I can do for you guys, let me know in the comments down below, and I will do my best to help you guys. Other than that, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram. Can't please share, because I need the views. But anyways, I'll do my best to keep up with the videos. That's the only thing I can say. I am busy, but I swear to you, I will do my best, and I will try to make it as funny and as clean as possible. Other than that, see you guys on the next one. Peace.